What a great place to relax, have a cup of coffee and read a book. The problem is there's nowhere to put my things. So I'm going to show you a simple way how to make a great side table. You're not going to believe how good this is going to look in the end. We first clamp the plywood to the table using an offcut to protect the bench surface. Because we know the size of our tabletop, we first need to get the center mark so we can locate our router. Now that we've marked our center point, we drill a hole. Once we've screwed the radius arm to the tabletop, we need to bring the router in and adjust the height to suit. And then we connect our radius arm to the router, and that will give us the perfect circle. Then we take the router, place it on the timber, and start the process. Now we have our tabletop complete. We will use a coarse sandpaper just to take away the roughness, and then a smooth one in preparation for the varnish finish. Now with the tabletop finished, smooth to touch, we are ready to start varnishing. You can paint your tabletop any color you wish. We're going to give it a coat of clear varnish because we want to enhance the timber. So right here we have a Veggie Cage, which we bought from the garden section of Bunnings. We're going to repurpose this to be the legs of our table. We're going to take this Veggie Cage and cut it at this height with the grinder because that's going to be the ideal height for our coffee table. I'm going to use an angle grinder to cut this cage to the required size. I'm going to use 2 clamps to secure it to the table so it doesn't move around in the process. Now that we have our base cut, we're going to use picture triangles to attach our base to the tabletop. The picture hooks, we're going to pry them open with a putty knife, and then we're going to flatten them so they fit around the base of the frame. We spray the frame and the picture triangles black before final assembly. The reason why we are spraying ours black is to get the contrast with the timber. So there you go, now we have a table made out of plywood and a Veggie Cage. Now isn't this great? Now I have the perfect side table for my books and my coffee.
Check out the Bunnings website for step-by-step instructions and all the tools and materials you'll need, or you can keep watching for more DIY projects and ideas.